You guys, it's the first day of May. That means it's the first day of Mental Health Awareness Month, which is May. I did so much content on this last year and I loved it. It came from the heart. I did some research. And I just want to make sure that you guys know that one, if you're struggling with mental health, it's normal that we're all going through these cycles of life. Like life is not just this uphill, there's valleys, there's curves, there's freaking upside down. And that is okay. And just like taking out the stigma of whatever kind of mental health that you do have, but also not like sugarcoating it, because I feel like we have also leaned so much into the, oh my gosh, I can't do that, I have anxiety. Like, no, baby. We are going to have an amazing freaking full life. Okay? So, yeah, I can't wait to make more content about this. I love you guys and happy Mental Health Month.